However, here I discovered a little pocket that it looks a bit unreal, and as I walk through here, then it takes me to an enchanting part of Sydney and not far from the CBD that is quite enchanting, and I want to share that with you, but you promise, keep it as a secret. As I'm walking down, Sunday is exploring as he does. Urban rainforest and native wildlife offer unexpected beauty. I'm starting to walk down this magic subtropical forest here in Sydney, and this was a surprise to me, and I'm sure it's going to be a surprise for you too. What we are about to see invite reflection on what gets preserved and what gets forgotten. And when you think about it, the lens of me being a migrant and a little bit of depth to what I find along the way. This is not just a tour, but is a ritual of noticing.